7th January 2013, and one para states that India lowers its radiation emission limits from mobile phones towers to 450 milliwatts per square meter from 4,500. But as per the report, the levels are still too high. And at least five new studies have detected biological effects when radiation level touches between zero point zero 0.03 and zero point 0.5 milliwatts per square meter. The report states, researchers report headaches, concentration and behavioral problems in children, sleep disturbances, headaches and concentration issues in adults. Now my question is, means, what if there is not at all a problem with the radiation, what was the need to lower the limit? And if all the countries, means India and all the countries are having the same permissible radiation limits?
I couldn't get you. I couldn't get the question. I'm sorry. I was behind.
Can you briefly reframe and ask the question? What exactly is the point which you want to bring out?
The two things, means, I want to bring out, means there was a research conducted and where the researchers found some serious problems like headaches in children, sleep disturbances, and concentration issues in adults. Also, is the permissible radiation limits is the same in all the countries, including India, or they are having the different limits? And did India lower the limit to 450 milliwatts per square meter from 4,500?
Well, this question has been addressed repeatedly since morning, but because you have asked it, I will tell you, no, every country has, different countries have different standards. There are certain standards which have been pronounced by WHO or recommended by WHO and ICNIRP, and countries are free to have their own standards. In India, yes, what you said is true, that they have reduced the radiation limits which from the earlier ones to 1/10 of the earlier ones. That is true, yes.